Hi guys, a question from YouTube. It's concerning conkys and plasma. So remember, we have a girl in our computer. She's called Sophie, and Sophie can help you install and remove all kinds of things. That's maybe something, a way to remember, right? Sofirem, or for short, I call her Sophie. And in the conky department, well, first of all, but that's a personal opinion, and that's just my opinion. You do whatever you want. But I don't think it's nice to have a conky inside Plasma 6. It's a beautiful desktop, and with plasmoids you can have so many nice, beautiful things. Just look at the screenshots people make. But if you want to have conkys, then you have to think about these things, right? First of all, where this one is for everything else but plasma, and this one is for plasma. It says so in the name. ArcoLinux Conky Collection Plasma Kit. So that's the one you need. That's one. Two, you think about these things because you have heard a lot about skel and etc skel. So when you install many of the things that are living in your .config, like the configuration of i3, BSPWM, awesome, and so on, are in etc skel.config. So it's up to you to still think, because we're not going to write anything in your home directory just like that, right? You have to think, oh yeah, it's installed, but not where it should be, right? And then you need application, configuration, application activated. And that's it. So realize that the conkys are basically not where they're supposed to be. You need to think about these things, and I have always a link to etc skel, and I suggest you do the same. etc skel, where are you, my friend? Here, because this is the core. This is how we set things, how we define colors, how we define BazRC, etc, etc. So in the .config, we've added a conky, and if you want to use it, okay, Control C. Only if you want to use it, you copy paste, and otherwise you just stay away from it, right? And then it's still the default plasma that you, or awesome, or right, that you want to have. So that's been installed. Now you can have fun. Now you can type conky, and conky zen is just a name, but it's basically a yet application that says go click on a button, and then you have something like, I don't know, one of those guys like Nemesis, for example. Let's have a look at Nemesis, and you get this. Is that nice on my plasma? That's up to you to decide if you want to have it. But there are so many nice plasmoids you can add as well. So there you go. That's anyway the way to install conkys on plasma. And here we see some application that's always fun to learn. Plasma Shell is running, Kwin Wayland is running, and yes, all the others are there as well. OBS Studio is working very hard to record everything. All right, cheers.